Sure.
Hello, Mrs. Smith. I'm Arpit, and I'm work with SQL, and I'm here for giving a presentation.
Sure, please have a seat.
Thank you. Hello, Mrs. Smith. Actually, I told you that I'm working with SQL,
Yeah.
and I'm here for short presentation regarding my products Vega.
Okay.
And these products are there to increase your margin by 30%. Are you interested in those?
Yeah, we'll see that.
As I mentioned your contract with the supplier is going to expire in next 3 months. Have you explored this option of having a new products with the Vega?
No, currently we don't have any budget to buy our new products. With the current market down, we don't want more obligations actually. Also, we have already utilized our available money this year. So, is it possible that we talk next year?
We completely understand what's going on in the market, in the recession all over.
Yeah.
We have come up with the recession supplement plans.
Okay.
Do you want me to explain to you?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Okay. One of these plan is to defer the payment till next year. Like you don't have to pay till next year, so you can
That
pay the
sounds
next
good.
year. And I'm very confident that we will come to a good ground to accommodate the financial situation.
Okay.
If there is any else which is important for you, to be addressed, please tell me.
Okay, I'll tell you if it is.
Okay. Over the past 50 years, our Western culture has managed to complete matters concerning diet and its relation to the health.
Okay.
Obesity is a big problem in the Western countries, and the ready-made fast foods are more convenient and ready to eat, and they are rich in calories. That's why people are getting more and more obese. And to make it more worse, we treat the obese with drugs
Okay.
and the fat diets, and combat fatigue with refined carbohydrates, sugar, and caffeine.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So the
So what can we do to address this problem?
today many health experts believe that a solution is to consume plant-based whole foods,
Okay.
pure and simple as nature intended.
Okay.
And the challenge with the whole food has been and their relative inconvenience to prepare.
Okay.
And compared to the gamut of the fast food offerings so readily available to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, born of the belief that one should have to consume between the whole food goodness and the fast food convenience.
Yeah.
Vega was created by Brendan Fraser.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah. You know the athlete, like he's famous athlete.
Yeah, he's the one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
To better understand the Vega product, I will explain you the facts.
Okay.
See, we have these two products, and Vega products are high in fiber, protein, essential fatty acids made
Can I
from.
just have a look?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are made from the natural plant-based food, which help to reduce the appetite and carving, and is easy to digest.
Yeah.
It will make you profit. All ingredients are pure. What do you like the most in the new product line of the Vega? All carbohydrates are naturally occurring, complex and low glycemic, with no added sugar or simple carbohydrates.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so these are really and these are also pesticide free.
Okay.
And nutrient profile of 40% protein, 30% carbohydrates, and 30% essential fats. So these are very good diet. If you are eating nothing, if you eat in the breakfast, you take these. This is very helpful, and it's a balanced diet for your health too.
I think the people are gonna like it.
Yeah, even I think so.
So your product seems interesting, but what is your marketing plan right now?
So the marketing plan, as I see, Ms. Smith, we have special marketing plan under which our experienced staff will place the items on the shelf.
Okay.
And rep will maintain the planographs and also help in other needs.
Okay.
Online order and placing the online order, placing the faculty and delivery on time.
That's good.
And our items will not be out of stock. Do you want any change in this, like, or is it okay with you?
Yeah, I think it seems okay. But moving forward to discounts, what kind of discounts you will offer to ABC Corporation?
On time payment will be 2%
Okay.
and 11% discount on the 100 units sold.
Yeah.
And ROI and profit will be increased as like, you
Oh,
know,
that's
as
good
you
to
sell
know.
more and more. And are you pleased with the offer?
Yes, we are quite pleased and interested with the discounts you are offering.
And our marketing team will make a planogram and provide you with the list of all the products. For that we require 30% of the shelf space.
There's a little bit problem. At the moment, we don't have enough shelf space to accommodate all the products, and we cannot take off the other products from the shelf.
You don't have to worry. Like, our experts already have done their homework
Okay.
and done a survey and come with the alternatives and suggestion to create more space.
Oh, that sounds great.
And everything seems okay. So I will leave a pamphlet stating all the fabs of all the products,
Okay.
Vega, so you could go over them.
Yeah.
And also circulate in terms of customer response.
I totally agree to you. I will just circulate the pamphlets in the store so that everybody just comes to know about what product we are talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot, Ms. Smith, for your time. I will update you at the time, like whenever I receive, and also commencement of our contact.
It was really nice meeting you. Have
Nice
a good day.
meeting you.
Bye.
Thanks.